Hello, I am going to make a script and a database. I'm going to install on a script. I'm going to install a script with a database and show you how it is this connection between on the server between the PHP or index files or HTML files and the database on the server. They are both on the server, so it's localhost. It is on your computer, the files and your database. Then it's localhost for you, for the browser. But if you are on a server, it's going to be also localhost. If it is another server, the files in one server and the file and the database another server, then they will be changed. They will, on the files you have to say that the localhost is not a localhost, but will have the IP of that script, that database. I'm going to install a software called, it is a shortener. It is used for shorten the URLs. For example, an affiliate link can be very big, something like Amazon slash affiliate number slash this. There is going to it's a big name, it's a big URL, a big link. So using this Bitly, it's bitly.com, you can put the Amazon link over here, and you get a small link like this. For example, I was testing this one, so I'm going to show you. This is a link, So it could be very big, very large link with a lot of things over here. So I click on it, and this is the link. If I copy it and I show you, this is the link which is short. This is the same as this one. So this Bitly thing, it shortens the link. So I'm going to install. I downloaded beforehand. I downloaded this script. It's 2 mega. And we're going to use it to install it on the server to show you how it is done. So I went to this is the cpanel of onesopaulo.com, and I go to File Manager. I go to File Manager. I'm opening it again. And then you can see these things. These folders, these files, don't touch them. They have important information like your email, your logs, your cpanel. If you delete one of these folders, you finish the website. So you go to public HTML, and you create a folder for it. Let's make it short, because we're going to short the URLs, yes? Shorten the links. So we call it short. And this is it. Now the folder, for example, you can have names, Sagal, for example, or Khadar. You create over here, you create folders. So we created short. Could have been Piccolo, because Piccolo means short. Then over here, let us upload the script. I upload in zip file. Let us go to downloads. There it is, yours master. And so we don't install file per file. This would be complicated. So we upload the zip folder. We wait until it's green. We don't move this page until it's green. Right, we can close this, it's green. We can go over here and reload. There it is. It's a zip thing. We extract, we take out, we open all these files. Click close, and then we reload again, because there's going to be a folder. That's it. So now we select all of this. If I'm going too fast, you can pause, go back and see what I'm doing. Select all of it. We click move, and we take it. We delete yours master, and we go to short. So we're going to move all these files to the folder we created before. Okay. So we move all the files. We wait. Right. It's empty, because now they are all the files we we added, we moved to short, the main thing. So then I know, because there is a readme file over here which gives me, you see, there it is. So if I go over here, test, and actually we should short, and then readme HTML file, that it's over here. You see this this thing, we have to read this. So to install, go to user, the folder user, config sample php. We change the sample, we change it to config. Let us go to user. Let us, you see config sample, we rename it. And we deleted this sample over here so that we save config.php. Right, now I think they want us to edit. We go over there and we edit. Let us continue reading the thing. Upload user, open user config like a notepad and following the requirements, the settings. This is it. This, they want the database. Let's go to the cpanel. And we click cpanel. And we're going to call short. Create a new cpanel, a new database. We create this short. We go back. We have to, this is the modify to repair or something. This is the database is in question. Over here, we have to have a user. We're going to call it short so it doesn't complicate matters. And there is a password, we have to copy it and put it on a notepad because we're going to use it again. And then confirm that we save it. Let's call it over here. Right, so then this, we add the user, create the user. We go back. Now we have to use the user to connect to the database. So over here, you see mysql users, add new user. No, this is not, is it? Add user to the database. That's it. We find short, the user short with the database short. The two of them will connect. Add them both, and we give them all the privileges. We give the user short all the privileges to short database. Right, we have this. Let's go back to cpanel. And we go, there it is. We have to, oh, good, yeah, we didn't save it. Let us, we know it is short, but let's just copy it again. So the database short, that is it. We save this. You see over here, it's Sao Paulo short, Sao Paulo. Okay, we save this. We go deep, this is the user. This is the user, then the password, then the database name, user also. Then we save, we get the password of this Sao Paulo short, and we add it over here. Right. Then they ask you the prefix of the database. We don't have to worry over here. Your site, we need this thing. We need this thing short. Did you see how it is done? Attention, there is no slash at the end, so we have to delete this slash. So this should be your URL, your domain. Delete the slash. Then unique equals true. Use private true. Modify a cookie. Okay, we can define checks of something random. We can write something over here, so it's going to be so. Okay, now username. Username, we're going to put admin. And password, we're going to use some simple password. The user I use always 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Attention, this password on the file is going to be encrypted when it runs. So no, when you reload this file, is going to be changed, this password, because it says over here the passwords you're going to see auto encrypted plain text in this file, auto encrypted. Okay, save it. Was convert our SID, but or use debug false. We don't want yours reserved. Okay, so we save it. We go to okay. Let us go back again. Create a new database. So this is the README, all has all this information. Point your server to admin. Okay, let us go to admin. So this is it. What happens? Install. Because we save the thing over here, this script will make auto installation to the, let us go to the database. Do you remember the database? Let us go to the PHP myadmin so that we see what is happening there. PHP on the cpanel, PHP myadmin, and we find the short. We find the short. Short at the moment is empty. There is nothing there. Nothing has been created. If you have to add, say, for example, a file in SQL format, you can import the format in import. Import the file by clicking import. Then you, if it is, perhaps it is a zipped file, you enter the file over here. It can be saved as CQL or zip. Or if it's one or two tables, you can just go to SQL, enter your table over here, click go. But so Paolo, I think it makes automatic installation because installs URLs. So we save the database. This script will install the tables inside the database. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Read this. Go back and listen to this video again. So what will happen? Let's click on it. Right, successfully updated, table URLs created, table URLs options created, table URLs log created, your table successful created. Let us go. This was empty, yes? Let's click again on it. There was 3 tables now created. Let us go to this one over here. Go to the administration page, and we save the admin. And the password 123456 That's it. That's it. So this is I already installed something. This is 2000 June. So this is the script developer installed this rubbish. This is you see this thing is the creator of this developer. Say thank you very much. This and that. Thank you. Right. So now this little thing doesn't have an index page. It doesn't show the index page because let's go back to user. This is the public HTML short. We just do what we can do, for example, sample page. This is it. We're going to rename this as index. This will be PHP over here. And the sample page public, we put index. Sorry. So this is going to be the main file when you load this. That's it. Right. So when you administration this, because we already say log in once. If we log out, so a person can you edit this page HTML over here, and for example, let us save this. Let us test this over here, and we enter this all, and we say this is going to be something like this. We say CEO, because this is a page about CEO things. Actually, I'm trying to read. I'm reading it, and the optional title we make it over here. Shorten. Right. So now this is it. Copy this rank page over there. The 40 unique. This 40 rank math blog unique. It is this one. It goes, as you can see how it works. Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, I mean, if you imagine you have your own website and you have your own links from other sites, it will show on the page, on your own page. You know, like a small shortened thing with your own name of the URL. It looks good. It looks good, and this is it. Yes, so this is a small installation. I hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm going to make the video for the search engine optimization again. This will stay online for a few days. Thank you.